Welcome to IIFL Securities YouTube channel. We have today with us Mr. Sanjay Thakker, who is the chairman of Landmark Cars, which is coming up with its IPO, and Mr. Ariman Thakker, who is the executive director of the company and is looking at new initiatives for the company. We'll go to Mr. Sanjay Thakker. Welcome to IIFL Securities YouTube channel, sir. Could you tell a little bit about your company, your entrepreneurial journey, and what business you are into?
Yeah, thanks for having us, Sourav, on this show. And we are very excited to kind of present a completely unique company, which Indian bourses haven't seen. Every developed country, whether it is US or even China, South America, Europe, has seen a number of listed dealerships, auto dealerships. India hasn't seen any. So it's high time when India is about to become the third largest auto market. How much can family bandwidth or a family capital take you? In fact, the growth in the Indian auto passenger cars will accelerate by these kind of moves that we are doing at Landmark. Let's understand what is the size of Landmark, what is it that we have been able to create in the last 25 years. Yes, it's been 25 years since 1998 for Landmark. Today, we are the largest partners for Mercedes-Benz. 1 in 6 Mercedes sold in India is by Landmark. We are the largest partners for Jeep, 26-27% market share in India. We are the largest partners for Honda, for Volkswagen. We will possibly be the largest partners for BYD. Once the numbers, meaningful numbers start taking in, we are the third largest for Renault. And we do commercial vehicles with Ashok Leyland. Now that has happened, 112 outlets, asset-light model, only 2 are owned out of this 112. A good ROC last year, we are back to our profitable trajectory. India is seeing tailwinds. Supplies are slightly less than the demand. So this is a good time to be, and we are having an IPO at the perfect time.
How are you going to use the IPO proceeds?
So this 552 crore rupee IPO comprises of 150 crore rupees of a primary, which we will be utilizing to repay our working capital loans. It is important to note that Landmark doesn't have any meaningful long-term debts. So it is only the working capital for against which we have the stock. So that will be repaid, and we will the balance sheet will become better. Our working capital has already gone down because Mercedes-Benz introduced the new model from 1st October of last year. So we are not carrying any Mercedes-Benz new car stocks in our book anymore.
With this liquidity, do you think you will be able to expect, because your balance sheet will get stronger? I'm sure you have new expansion plans. And as you explained that Indian economy is growing and income of people is increasing even in smaller cities. Are you planning to expand your network?
So over the last several years, out of the 112 outlets that we have, 30% are acquired. So if there is one organization which is quite equipped to handle mergers and acquisitions, it's us. So this is something which is in our DNA. I am sure we will do more of it, but obviously I cannot spell it out right now on the eve of the IPO.
And as you said that this is a unique IPO and it's really interesting for everybody to know how you're handling it. What kind of growth do you see for the market, not for your company, for car dealership business like yours? What kind of CAGR growth you will see in terms of revenue for the industry?
So unlike the manufacturers, the car dealerships also have some different and unique revenue streams, which are profit margins.
Right.
What do dealerships do? Dealerships not only sell cars, but they sell insurance, they sell finance. 75% of the people who buy cars in India mostly take finance, where we as dealers get commission. We sell accessories.
Right.
Then there comes an annuity type of a business, which is the after sales business. So last year and that is a 18% EBITDA, 40% gross margin business. Last year we did around 600 crores of after sales business, which includes the excellent repairs. So this is a very stable source of income. This keeps on compounding every year, whatever the state of the economy is. So the dealerships generally grow faster than the OEs because of this different revenue streams that we have.
And an organized company like you will have a better opportunity going ahead, right?
Clearly, we will have a much better opportunity. The industry is fragmented. There are like 5,000 auto dealerships across India for passenger cars. And it is right for consolidation. The first mover advantage, clearly, we have seen in all other industries plays out. So we, being the first one, we are very hopeful that this can become really very large going ahead.
As you said that you have done a lot of acquisitions earlier, would you continue to do that, or would you accelerate after this?
I mean, let's see. I mean, the point is that there is a problem of plenty. So whatever we can do profitably, whatever we can get in our price band, we don't want to get it at the peak valuation cycle. We will be mindful there is enough and more fruits on the tree.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now I'll go to Aryaman. Could you explain a little bit about your new initiatives and how digital will play a role in your business?
Sure, Sourav. So I think historically, Landmarks kind of try to do things differently. I think try to have initiatives which were industry first, which has helped us lead our segment and the auto retail industry for a while. What we have done at Landmark is that we have actually focused a lot on getting our technology and solutions right from the very beginning. Since the last 7-8 years, we've had our in-house team to develop our CRMs and other solutions. But since the last year or two, we have set up a dedicated team known as the Landmark Transformation Team. It is headed by a chief technology officer. I think, I believe, industry first designation which has been created. This gentleman has joined us from Mahindra and Mahindra four-wheelers and has joined Landmark to lead this. What we are doing is that we are focusing on improving our processes. At the same time, we are analyzing or investing in data and analytics to have not only better customer retention, better customer service, but also identify pockets of revenue enhancement within the organization.
Do you have an e-commerce presence?
Yes, so we have our own online portal and website. Website where the customer can go and look at all the cars that are offered under the umbrella. Not only that, customers are also coming and visiting and making online booking payments.
But that will be a small part, right? Like luxury cars, people come, right?
Yes, it is still and will continue to remain a touch and feel business. But this just gives a better ease of operations, ease to and flexibility to the customer. At least to browse, go through it before visiting our showrooms. And we actually have also come up with a AI-based chatbot on WhatsApp for sales and service bookings and inquiries.
Okay, so you are big in luxury business. Is there any chance that you will also look at, affordable car segment?
I think we have been we are now pretty clear that we would like to focus on the premium segment and above. I think where the average selling price of the vehicles is 10 lakhs plus, focused mainly on the four-wheeler segment as of now. I think that is where our strength is, and that's where I think the margins and the revenues are stronger.
So do you want to talk about the IPO size and the band, and would Sanjay sir, I can explain only.
Yeah, you can go ahead, but it is it is 481 to 506.
Yeah.
The IPO opens tomorrow, which is the 13th of December, and the closes on 15th of December. And 552 crore rupees is the total size, and at the top end, the market cap of the company would be just over 2,000 crore.
So nice talking to you. I'll come back to you because your company is very interesting, and people will have a lot of questions and interest in how you're growing in future. So
Yes.
best of luck and thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.